Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So we're in the bathroom again because I'm going to be showing you guys my current daytime skincare routine featuring the PMD clean. So you might be wondering, what is the PMD clean? This is it right here. It is a silicone cleansing tool. This is what I'm going to be featuring in today's routine along with some other products that I've been loving. You know, if this is your first time watching Labit, welcome. And if this is not your first time, you already know what it is. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe and put that bell on for notifications so you never miss an upload. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, so I have like some basic steps that I do in my skincare routine, and I'm gonna just be talking specifically to the daytime today. So first step, cleanse. Second step, tone. Third step, moisturize. Moisturize is like a loaded category because we have our eye cream or eye serum or eye gel that we might use, and then we have a moisturizer for all over our face, but we also have a serum that can be hydrating as well. So moisturize has a few items in the category, but it's basically a 3-step routine, and it could just be 3 products or it could be a little bit more like how I do it, and this is something that I do daily. Of course, let's not forget our SPF. It's very important to wear SPF daily. I don't think I'm going to be talking too much about sunscreen, but I'll show you 2 that I like to use in the daytime. My skin is oily. That's it. It's not acne prone or anything like that. So if you have really oily skin, you might like some of these products that I'm about to show to you guys today. So this product is a sonic device. It has like a certain amount of vibrations per minute, which really helps to cleanse your skin, get any debris off, you know, really help you with your cleanse. So yeah, you could use your hands, but if you want like a deeper clean, you know, and also if you want that sensorial feel, you might want to use an item like this. Now I do have a Foreo, and I haven't really been using it as much because I've been testing out this one, but if you want to see my review of the Foreo, I'm gonna link it up above. So I'm gonna tell you about my pros and cons for this one, and I'm also going to show you a demo. So the first thing you want to do is wet your face. And I just use the foaming cleanser, the foaming cream cleanser from McGrath, and then I'm going to start on speed 1. Then you could even put it on speed 2. Do you hear how much faster it's going? Y'all, and this honestly feels so good. It feels really good, like a good facial massage. I feel like if you're sleepy, this is gonna wake your ass up. Then to turn it off, you could just hold for like about 2 seconds and it comes off. There are 4 speeds on this. You have the first 2 for cleansing and the second 2 for using with your serum or your oil if you want to use the back side. The knob is right to the front. When you click it, it comes on first, and then click it again, second, third, fourth, and that's how you work the speeds. So now I'm just gonna rinse my face. Then I'm gonna go in with Fat Water from Fenty. This is my toner serum of choice for the daytime. And I like to go in with the eye cream. I'm using the Tatcha Silk Peony Melting Eye Cream. Then recently I've been using the Daily Greens from Pharmacies, an oil-free gel moisturizer. And then I like to finish up with my Fresh Rose Petal Soft Lip Cream. Okay, so now that I'm done with my skincare routine, it's pretty simple, right? If you incorporate those 3 steps into your routine, you're gonna have like a full-fledged routine that you could do every day, and it's not so hard. You know what I mean? Especially if you don't have a lot of time. So let's go into what I really like and what I don't like so much about the PMD clean. So it actually has a little holder that you could help it to stand up with on your counter. You have to make sure it sits in there perfectly or it will tilt over. So mine is like always falling over on my counter. I wish it was flat on the bottom so that you could just sit it flat, but it's not flat, so it won't stand by itself. So that's one thing I kind of don't like about it. But what I do like is the shape of it. I like that it has a handle. We're accustomed to using things with handles, like your toothbrush, your brush, you know what I mean? Whereas like with the Foreo, it's just like in your hand is a weird transition to using the Foreo, I think, after using something like a Clarisonic. But this is like similar to a Clarisonic where you have the handle and you could just, you know, that's a motion that we know. right? So I like that. It's very ergonomic. It feels good in your hand. It's very smooth. I like how sleek the design is, and they have different like beautiful colors that you could choose from. Really different colors like navy blue, things that I haven't really seen in devices before. They have it, so you can really coordinate with like how your bathroom looks. So I like that touch. This one that I have retails for $99, so I think that the price of it is very good. If you look at tools like this on the market, they usually start at like $150, so you can get this for $99. I think that's pretty cool. The surface area of the brush is kind of small in my opinion. I wish it was a little bigger. I have a big face, so you know, I wish I could just cover more surface area with it, but it's fine. You know, that's just like a personal preference. That's not like something that you shouldn't get it over, you know. I love that it's antibacterial and hypoallergenic. Silicone is like the way. We're not using brushes anymore, bristles or anything like that. We're using silicone because it's more hygienic to use silicone. So I love that aspect about it. The next thing is how you operate this is by battery. So you just unscrew this part and the battery comes right out. It's just a AA battery. That's like one thing I kind of don't like about it. I can't tell the last time I bought a battery. I think I got this about 3 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks ago. So let's see how long the battery will last. I guess one day when I try to turn it on, it doesn't come on. I know I would need to change the battery. Another thing is it doesn't have a time for the amount of like oscillation or anything that it gives. It just goes and goes until you turn it off. I would say I don't really mind that, but I like devices that give you that 60-second, right? Because we know we need to cleanse our face for at least 60 seconds to really get the full benefits and make sure that we get everything off of our skin. So I wish that this was timed. It's not, no biggie. You could do the timing yourself, you know, gauge how long you want to use it for. I know some people were saying that they prefer it not to be timed so that even after 60 seconds, it doesn't just cut off, you know? So if you're a person like that who wants to cleanse for more than 60 seconds, then you probably would like this. It doesn't cut off at all. Then we have the back side, which is used for like oils or serums. I don't really use this side, to be honest, so I didn't even really show you guys a demo of that. That's just me, but it does feel really good and I have used it there before. I don't think that this is helping my serum to absorb anymore. That aspect of some of these devices to me is a bit gimmicky, but you do have it there if you do want to do a massage. But I really do like how it feels on the skin, and I think that my skin is being cleansed even more than if I just use my hands. Also, I like to use a very foaming cleanser with these types of devices so that it could really glide over your skin and it's not tugging or anything like that. The bristles are pretty soft. Even if you don't use a super foaming cleanser, you can't really feel it, you know, tugging at your skin or anything like that. So I really like that. Now, I also want to say the products that I use, you don't have to use those specific products. These are just some products that I really have been liking. You know, you could substitute it for whatever you like, whatever is your favorite cleanser, whatever is your favorite toner, and then your moisturizer and your SPF, of course. And at the beginning, I was going to tell you guys some SPFs that I have really been enjoying. So, you know, I really love Fenty Skin Hydrovisor, and I also really like the McGrath Environmental Shield Essential C Day Moisturizer. It has SPF 30 broad spectrum. So those are two SPFs that I like to use. I hope that this was helpful. If you're thinking about getting the PMD clean, I would definitely recommend it. I like it. I think that it is very reasonably priced compared to what else is on the market. I really like PMD as a company. Actually, I have used one other product from them, At Home Microdermabrasion Tool, which I absolutely love. You can check out my review above. If you have any questions about the PMD clean, any comparisons you want to know between the Foreo and the PMD clean, please leave any comments down below. I would love to answer those for you. And if you want to see more skincare content, definitely follow me on my Instagram. I have so much more skincare content over there. Thank you so much for watching, guys. You know you can follow me on my social media platforms, Isla.Beat on Instagram and The Beat Inc. on Facebook. And without further ado, thank you so much for watching and have a great night, guys. Bye.